Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures. Today I'm out here camping with the family and been using BougeRV water heater and wanted to show you guys how this awesome product could enhance your next camping experience. So when you're dispersed camping or at a primitive campground, you don't have running water, so you need to bring plenty of water. And not only that, since there's no running water, you need to figure out how you're going to wash dishes, maintain personal hygiene, or in our case, it's hard to keep our daughter's hygiene with cold water. So that's where this little water heater comes to play. Now, I've been using Camplux water heater to do all the mentioned things, and it works great. You know, if you had a greasy dish, hot water could help dissolve grease, maintaining my hygiene. And it actually uses less water compared to just running the water with the spigot when washing dishes or maintaining my hygiene. However, it's fairly large to travel with and a bit of a complex to set up with all the wire and water pump. And you also need to carry a bigger propane bottle because of the regulator hose that comes with the kit won't fit the 1-pound propane bottle. And you're going to need a power station or power source to run the water pump. So I tend not to use it as much as I should. And when BougeRV asked me to review their water heater, I was a bit hesitant thinking that it would be a similar setup that I had to go through. But after looking at their product, I was blown away by how compact and easy this thing is to set up and have hot water on demand. And best of all, it has a rechargeable battery built right into the unit, which will last up to 60 minutes of usage. I mean, how cool is that, right? This makes the whole camping experience so much more convenient. So let me quickly show you guys how to set this up. So we have the water pump assembly, which is for the fresh water. So connect it to the inlet and plug the power cord to the pump socket. Now connect the shower head to the water outlet and screw on the gas regulator to the back of the water heater and connect the 1-pound propane bottle to the regulator. And make sure the propane is not leaking before using the water heater. And it comes with the adjustable bracket to hold the shower head. And that's pretty much it. And when you're ready to use the water heater, put the pump in the fresh water source, and there's a main power switch under the heater. So switch it on first. And then press the power button on the main display and adjust the temperature by turning the knob. Now the display has a clean, modern looking LCD display that displays battery status, current temperature, and setup temperature, input voltage, over temperature icon, ignition progress icon, and water running icon. It also comes with the AC adapter and a 12-volt DC power cord, so in case you forget to charge the battery, you could use the water heater with both power option or charge the battery while driving to your destination. And some of the key features are the heat output is 20,500 BTUs and maximum temperature is 122 degrees with overheat protection that shuts off the unit if the temperature goes above that. Oh, it has a flame failure protection, tilt protection that shuts off the unit if the angle is greater than 30 degrees. So let's say you knock it over by accident, it'll turn off automatically and comes with a 2-year warranty. And the dimensions for the water pump is around 16 by 12 by 7 inches. The water pump hose is 5 feet in length and the output water hose is 8.2 feet in length, including the shower head. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button, which helps out the channel. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to see more content like this. And if you're interested in this product, I'll leave the link and the discount code in the video description for you. And I also reviewed BougeRV's refrigerator, so if you want to see that video, you could click the link up here or I'll leave it in the video description. Anyways, now to use the water heater, simply press the on and off toggle on the shower head to the on position, and you can select 3 different types of water flow. And the water pump is a 0.8 gallon per minute water pump, so it's pretty efficient, but you could also conserve even more water by adjusting the water flow with the on and off toggle on the shower head. Now the water flow on max is really strong, and this will help with washing the dishes and provides quicker showers. And this is purely cosmetic, but I love the shape of the water that's coming out of the shower head. And I've connected this shower head to the bathtub shower at my house, and it works great. And that's it. Again, this is another great product from BougeRV that makes camping more enjoyable without complicating setup. And with the built-in battery, this is a game changer, and I'll be taking this with me every time I go camping now. So I highly recommend this product if you're looking for a portable water heater to enhance your next camping trip. Now, the only thing I wish that it came with is a storage bag to carry the water heater and house all the accessories. Then this would have been a perfect 10. I mean, after all, this is advertised as a portable unit, and at the price point, I feel like it should have came with the carrying bag. But don't get me wrong, I mean, this is still very portable, but again, it would have been so much better to carry everything in one bag. And who knows, maybe after seeing my review, they might include it in the future. But for now, I purchased this bag on Amazon, and it's able to fit the water heater and house everything inside, well, minus a propane bottle. So I'll leave the link to this bag in the video description for you guys as well. And one other thing is that these hose rubber is like a dust magnet and tracks a lot of dirt, and it's hard to clean without water. So maybe if they used a different type of hose with some type of coating or braided hose would have been so much better. But other than those minor things that I noticed, this is another great product from BougeRV, and I'm loving their product so far. And again, I'll leave the link in the video description with the discount code, so check them out for yourself. So that's all I have for you guys today. And again, if this video was informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And check out our silent camping video to see this water heater and other camping gear that I use and possibly get some ideas for your next camping trip. So thank you all for tuning in today. And until next time, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all on my next video.